Okay, so I'm just going to show you a cool little load test here. It really breaks it down in increments. So these are each 1500 watt space heaters, little foot heaters, and they've each got a low setting which only runs on 750 watts. So these are perfectly incremented to test load. So I've got this in eco mode right now, so it's quiet. If you were to put it into, that's without eco mode on. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put eco mode back on. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is we're going to turn the first one on at 1500 watt, or excuse me, 750 watts. So you're just going to watch right here. You're going to watch the load light up. So there's 750. Lights up 2 lights. And if we go up to 1500, lights up 3 lights. And if we turn the other one on low, now we're at 22.5. Okay. So once you're at 22.5, now hypothetically, if I turn the other one on 1500, I'm at 3000. And that's a little bit above where this is supposed to be for sustained running. Because when you're running on propane, it doesn't make as much power. But anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and turn this on to 1500 just for a second. So you get a total of 3000. See, now let it back down. So now we're back to 22.5. I've got the side cover off so I can check the oil and everything real easy. But anyhow, this is a really handy little guy because you can be in sub-zero weather, and I've already tested that this space heater, when it's ran into the with the pipe into the covers, like the blankets of the bed, it'll keep you warm, which I'll demonstrate again in another video when it gets cold out again, if I go up in the mountains or something. But so 1500 watts when that's on full blast, which really you don't even need it on full blast unless it gets like sub-zero out, super cold. Otherwise, a half load at 750 is plenty. Okay. But anyway, let's assume you had that on 1500 watts. Then you wouldn't even need to use the other one. The other one's just here for testing. I have a 750 watt power supply to power the battery, to charge the battery on the lithium phosphate battery coming, and it's adjustable from like 13 volts up to 15 or 16 volts, somewhere in there. So, you know, you set it at 14 something. But anyway, the point is 750 plus 1500 is exactly the same as having this one on half load and having this on high like it is right now. So this generator is perfect for that. And then you can still plug in your cell phones and anything else you want to charge with USB-C ports. It's got 2 USB ports. It's also got a cigarette lighter port. It's also got alright. So good. Back to quiet again. Good little generator. So it's been broken in properly. We did, I think, 4 restarts. And really, to start this with propane, you give it 2 swift pulls. You don't need to pull the cord all the way to the end where it jerks the cord. You just kind of pull the cord the first 3/4 real fast. 2 pulls on choke. It'll turn over a little bit, and then you turn off the choke, and boom, it's fired. Don't have to worry about dumbing up the carburetor on it. Bad gas. All right, that's all we got. See ya.